The Holly and the Clock. It was cold in Vienna in December 1905. Elsa worked in her father's clock shop. The shop was old and full of clocks. All the clocks made a loud sound. Elsa liked this sound. It made the shop feel safe and warm. Outside, green holly leaves were in the windows for Christmas. One snowy afternoon, the door opened. A young man walked in. He looked serious and strong. His name was Anton. Anton held a small dark thing in his hand.
Hello.
He said.
This is a very old pocket watch. It is broken. Can you fix it?
Elsa took the watch. It was silent. Anton looked sad.
This watch was my grandmother's.
He said.
She always held it on Christmas Day.
Elsa looked at the watch parts. They were very small. She looked back at Anton.
It will take many days,
she said. She did not want him to leave quickly. Anton smiled.
I will come back every day to ask about it.
He promised. Anton kept his promise. He came back every afternoon. He sat on a small stool by the fire. He was studying to be a doctor. He told Elsa about his books and his hard work. Elsa told him about the tiny, delicate gears she fixed. The clocks made soft, sweet music while they talked. Elsa soon felt happy when the shop bell rang. She began to wait for Anton. His visits made the long winter days short. The pocket watch was actually very easy to fix, but Elsa kept the silent watch on her desk. She wanted Anton to keep coming back. Finally, it was Christmas Eve. The snow fell outside like white dust. Anton came in. Elsa was smiling so much. She handed him the fixed watch. Now the tiny hand was moving. Anton held the watch. He did not look at the time. He looked only at Elsa. His eyes were very kind.
Thank you, Elsa.
He said.
The watch is important to me.
He paused for a moment.
But these afternoons with you were the true gift. They are the best I have ever had.
He then asked her to leave the shop. He wanted her to walk with him to the town square. Elsa felt a sudden happiness. She quickly took off her work apron. She said yes right away. It was the first time she had ever left the shop before midnight. They walked out of the clock shop and into the beautiful snowy night together.